How to use CSS Grid Layout Generator. The workflow consists of 3 stages: tracks editing, items editing, and the final stage, getting results. Tracks. It's kind of columns and rows of the grid, but it's not real DOM elements. You can add vertical or horizontal track by clicking on the head of the existing track and then press plus bottom in the Appear context menu. Press left plus bottom to put it before the current track, or press right plus bottom to put it after. Items. It's real DOM elements. In other words, they are direct descendants of the grid container. Use this button to create a new one. More. Easily remove and rearrange. Oh, sweet results. What? Nonsense. I have to make something significant, just like you do.